good deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another banger, man. In today's video, we just gonna jump right off into it. I'm gonna unrack and show y'all my waves. I am officially, you could say, almost 9 to 10 weeks woofing right now. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick woof update, and it's gonna be like a quick little brush with me. So I want y'all to quick little, you feel me, brush with me. And if y'all need any additional tips, follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver right now. Go to my Instagram and DM me if you need any additional tips, or if you need me to touch up on a video about something, then DM me your idea and I'll definitely get back to you on my phone. So basically, we got a guy right here. Make sure everything will be linked down in the description below. But we got a guy right here. He said, "Hey Rico, I've been trying waves multiple times, but my hair on my sides won't lay down. I'm using Murray's pomade." That right there you don't want to use. And Cantu moisturizer and medium brush, and I wear 2 do-rags, but my hair just don't lay down. Now I'm not gonna show his waves because I didn't ask him, so, and I don't want to put him out there like that. He's just starting out. So I told him, after seeing his waves, that you have to train them to lay down, because if you have waves, it's not gonna just come from wearing your do-rag. I can tell from his picture that he thinks that putting Murray's grease, brushing one time, and putting 2 do-rags is gonna lay your hair down. What's gonna lay your hair down? Brush. You gotta be brushing your hair. If you're not brushing your hair, it's not gonna lay down, because waves are laid down curls. Let's not forget, guys. So if your hair is straight and it's harder to curl, you need to let your hair grow while brushing it, forcing it to lay down. You're forcing it, you're training your hair to go a way that it's not used to. Without me brushing my hairs are straight. They might be a little, my hair are naturally curly, but they'll be like a little knots and stuff. They won't be as nice as my waves are, because I'm not gonna be brushing them. So in your case, you might have little BDBs, little circles, or you might have straight hair. Your hair just may be straight, and you gotta get to your curl length. So it might not be complete. Your hair is never completely straight if you're a coarse hair waver. It's never completely straight. I'm just saying straight as in no waves popping up. It's still curl, but the curls are not laid down, they're sticking up. So like I said, waves are laid down curls. So you forcing your hair to go in a pattern that you want it to go in, whether it's 540, 360, 720s, all of that. So you're forcing it by brushing it and maintaining your brushes, by keep brushing your hair so it can keep being laid down. And at that same time, you're letting your hair grow so you can reach your curl length. You'll know when you start to reach your curl length, because if you track the weeks, you'll say, okay, week 1, I'm brushing, my hair is straight still, but it's all laid down. Week 2, my hair is straight, laid down. Now I got to train to be laid down. Now I'm starting to see ripples because I'm starting to get closer to my curl length. Week 3, dang, these ripples are starting to really come in. So on and so on. 2, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and then once you hit whatever week you need to hit, to where you be like, okay, this right here is my curl length. But you need to be brushing that whole entire time, bro. You have to get at least 30 minutes in a day. But when you first starting out, bro, you gotta, them 30 minutes a day need to be an hour a day. So you can break it up how you want to break it up. You can do 30 minutes right now, because 30 minutes is only 60. Hour is only 60 minutes. So you do 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at night. But you can't forget that pattern. You got 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at night, 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at night. You gotta keep pushing on that same pattern. So with that being said, man, I hope that helped you basically, you know, understand the meaning of laid down curls and your waves going from straight little pricklies or not being able to be laid down, because you have to brush and let your hair grow. I hope that helped you understand that. So right now we just gonna unrag. These are my waves right now. Like I said, I am 9 weeks woofing right now. That needs to definitely be worked on. I need to get a crown patch, to be honest. I need to close my crown and get a crown patch, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The most thing I probably struggle with, if it's not my weak side, it's my crown for sure. I can't give y'all pointers right now for the crown because I'm still learning myself. You know, I don't think I'm the best. I never said I was the best. I still got things I need to work on. It's still a learning process for me. And you know, I just learned a lot of things on the way. But as far as my crown, I still watch other YouTubers to learn my crown. I got favorite people I like to watch in the game, you feel me, as well as you. But with that being said, man, we just gonna take that Rico's merch oil. You can get this on the website. And if y'all have a hard time finding stuff on the website, all you have to do is click the little 3 lines in the top right corner of the website, and it'll say shop all, or it should say shop, and it'll show you everything I have on my site. So when you scrolling down the first page, that's just my home page, y'all. That's just featured collection. That's just at the bottom. It just show what I want to display on my home page. Now, that's not the only items I have, because I'm only displaying 4 items. I have way more items on my website. So all you have to do is go in the top right corner. You can find everything. You can become a brand ambassador. You can sign up for that and make some. Just go look at all that. It'll tell you, it'll explain everything. Everything is gonna be linked down in the description below. To become a brand ambassador, to go check out the website so you can see what's actually on it. Just go click that right. It's gonna be little 3 lines, bro, on the top right. It just scroll through the page. Just play on the page a little bit and look through it. You're gonna find everything. It's not that hard. Yeah, right now, if you woofing, bro, you just came out the rag, go ahead and oil up. Moisturize, daily moisturization. And the reason why I like using my oil is because I got a little dropper. And this little dropper, what it does is it allows me to pick up oil without having to pour it out in my hand and drop it into my dry spots. Personally, drop it literally into my scalp so your scalp can be oiled, you know. A lot of y'all just rub the surface. You just rubbing the surface with the oil, and the product is not getting in your scalp. That's why I got my oil to be like that, so you could drop it into your oil. I mean, into your hair. Drop the oil into your hair. And it's also good for your beard. If y'all want a beard video, let me know. I'm not getting a lot of beard people, you know, sliding up and telling me, hey bro, I mean, I'm still growing mine. Y'all's probably way more thicker than mine, but I'll probably just make a video and see how I do. You can use it on your beard. You can use it on your face, skin. Just don't get it in your eyes. That's my only disclaimer, bro, because it's gonna burn. It's oil. You're getting oil in your eye. This is not like kid shampoo where you can put kid shampoo in your eye and nothing gonna happen. Okay. just going in right now, y'all. I'm just going in. And I know right now I'm using a soft brush. I already got a brush session in before this video. So right now I got a brush session in with no products and no oils and things like that. I want to save that for when I put my oil in the video. But that's just a quick little brush session. I mean, I'm about to go work on my crown real quick. I don't want to bore y'all out. I'm about to put that work in. Let me touch it up a little bit. I gotta start remembering, like, the crown is its own section, bro. You can't baby with it. You can't baby with it. You can't play with it, bro. You gotta actually treat it. You gotta treat it with care, kind, gentle. You gotta treat this like it's your baby. That crown will open up on you. But y'all beginners, don't worry about the crown right now. Unless you want to. It's smart. I don't know. I've never been like... See, that's the thing, bro. I ain't even going to talk about it in this video. I'm going to save it for another video. But just know I got some big things coming to end the year off with and start the year off with, bro. It's going to be crazy. Just in general, things coming to the site, things I'm gonna be doing personally, that type of stuff, bro. Right now, I just want to basically oil my scalp, put oil in my scalp with my dropper, which helps put oil in your scalp, and then just moisturize my wig, because I live in a high desert. So, so I just want to, you feel me? I live in California, but I live in a high desert area of California. So it tends to get drier up here a lot often. A lot more often than it would like if I was in LA. So just take that like that. Just make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you haven't already, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and let me know if y'all like me doing a little short mini clips sometimes. I'm not gonna forget about doing my actual tutorials for y'all, but in between, to keep my page active, I will be dropping mini clips of like me reacting to stuff on TikTok, or a montage of me just reacting to stuff for y'all to watch, so y'all can get a different side of me. I may react to waivers, I may react to food, I may react to other TikTok. It's just all over the place, bro. Make sure y'all go, though. It's the link down in the description below. It's your boy Rico. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tell y'all once again, just in case y'all forgot. And turn on them post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. If you need any tips, DM me. Yes, website. Everything is down in the description below. Everything you need to find is in the description below. Hey, that's it and that's all. It's your boy Rico. I'm gone.